Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Solving Tech. Myself Naren Sharma. Today I like to discuss with you about divisibility table. I hope you will get or you will enjoy this class. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. So about divisibility table, we learn how to divide a number or whether a given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, etc. without actually divide the given number. So without actually divide the given number, we can easily get the idea whether the given numbers is divided by 2 or divided by 3 or divided by 5 or not. Today I discuss with you only the divisibility of 2, 3 and 5. I hope in my in future videos I will going to discuss the divisibility table of other numbers like 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 and more. So now start today's class. First, divisibility of 2. Okay. So by knowing the divisibility of 2, we can easily understand whether a given number is divided by 2 or not without actually divide the given number by 2. So first I give the definition here. The definition is if one's place of a given number is either 0, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then the number is divisible by 2. So observe the definition of divisibility of 2. What I write here? I write if one's place of a given number is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or not n here or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. So by the definition what we get? That means to check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not, we simply just looking the ones place of the given number. Now I give some examples to discuss about this matter. Check 74. Now question is 74 is divisible by 2 or not without actually divided 74. So by definition you see the ones place. In ones place of 74 is 4. So in the definition we have 4. Yes, in ones place of the given number is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. So since in 74 the ones place is 4, that means the 74 is divisible by 2. Again 252. 252, in 252 the ones place is 2. So 252 is divisible by 2. 1360. 1360, the ones place is 0. So 1360 is divisible by 2. 9858. Obviously 9858 is a bigger number. So without actually divide 9858 by 2, we can get whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Just simply observe the ones place of this number. The ones place of this number is 8. That means 9858 is divisible by 2. So now student, you got the idea, the divisibility of 2. So let's go divisibility of 3. Divisibility of 3. For divisibility of 3, first, step 1, in step 1, we find the digit sum. We find the digit sum of the given number. In second step, if the sum means the digit sum. If the sum is divisible by 3, then the number means given number. The given number NO dot, I write NO dot, given number is divisible by 3. So just the 2 steps we have to say quickly as soon as possible. In step 1, we find the digit sum of the digits of given number. Little bit correction here. We find the digit sum of the digits of given number. We find the digit sums of the digit of given number, and in step 2, if the sum, that means if the digit sum is divisible by 3, then the given number is also divisible by 3. Now I give some examples to check the divisibility of 3. The first example is 324. Say 324, we have to say quickly whether 324 is divisible by 3 or not. So according to step 1, we have to find the digit sums of the digit of given number. So give digit sums. In 324, you see, we have total 3 digits. They are 3, 2 and 4. So find the digit sum. 3 plus 2 plus 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Step 1 finished. That means step 1 said that first you find the digit sum of the digit of given number. Here 324, the digits are 3 to 4. We find the digit sums and we get 9. According to second step, now we check whether the sum is divisible by 3 or not. Now you see 9. 9, we can easily get 9 is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3 because 3 3s are 9. So since 9 is divisible by 3, that means the given number 324 is divisible by 3. Next, 98. Check 98. 98 is a 2-digit number. Similarly, first we find the digit sums. Here digits are 9 and 8. Find the digit sum 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 is not in table of 3. 17 is not in the table of 3. Since 17 is not in the table of 3, that means 17 is not divisible by 3. As 17 is not divisible by 3, that means 98 is also not divisible by 3. Other examples. $492. 492. Similar process. Find out the digit sums. Digit sums are 4, 9 plus 2. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Now check 15 is in the table of 3 or not. Yes, 3 5 is 15. That means 15 is divisible by 3. Since 15 is divisible by 3, that means 492 is divisible by 3. So in this way, we can easily get whether a given number is divisible by 3 or not. I repeat the line. Simply, you find the digit sums of the given number and check the sums whether it is divisible by 3 or not. If the sum is divisible by 3, that means the given number is divisible by 3. Okay, student? Then we proceed to divisibility of 5. Divisibility of 5. The definition of divisibility of 5 can be write as if ones place of the given number is either 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. If ones place of the number of the given number, here you write given number is either 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. That means here also we just see the ones place of the given number. Ones place of the given number. If the ones place of the given number is either 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. So I give some examples. 745. We need to check whether 745 is divisible by 5 or not without actually divide the numbers by 5. So according to our divisibility of 5, just we check the ones place of the number. If one's place is occupied either 0 or 5, then our number is divisible by 5. So observe the ones place. The ones place of 745 is 5. That means 745 is divisible by 5. Next example, 1490. Here also you just observe the ones place. The ones place of this number is 0. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 5. 775. Here also observe the ones place. The ones place is 5. That means 775 is divisible by 5. 998. Now you observe the ones place of 998 is 8. It is not 0 or 5. That means 998 is not divisible by 5. 649. Here also you observe the ones place of 649 is 9. So it is not 0 or 5. That means 649 is not divisible by 5. 7450. 7450. In this number you see the ones place is 0. That means this number is divisible by 5. So from this we get the idea whether a number is divisible 5 just looking the unit place or ones place of the given number. If the ones place is either 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay student, I hope you got the ideas of the divisibility of 2, 3 and 5. In my next video, I will discuss with you the divisibility of 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 third numbers. So please keep watching my channel and please provide comments to my channel. Thank you.